Material identification is key to determining repairability on today's vehicles. High and ultra-high strength steels offer limited repairability and often require specific attachment methods. Fortunately, ALLDATA has you covered. You can access OEM repairability guidelines in the Technician's Reference area to identify what an OEM will and won't allow when it comes to repairs. These guidelines will also allow you to identify the materials used on collision-damaged vehicles. To access the repairability guidelines, select Body and Frame, and then Construction Materials. Once on the Construction Materials page, you will be provided with illustrations and other relevant information on the various materials. Having this information, along with the attachment method requirements, are essential to proper repair planning and execution. Want to learn more about ALLDATA collision? Contact us today.